Chief guest of today's function, His Excellency Dr. Aziz Qureshi, President of today's function, Dr. Vilas Sabka, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj, Nagpur University, our Honorable Chairman of Lokmanya Tilak Janakalyan Shikshan Sanstha, Dr. Satish Chaturvedi ji, Secretary of our Sanstha, Srimati Abha Chaturvedi, Director Governing Board, Shriman Dushyanji Chaturvedi, Dean of Engineering Faculty, RTM Nagpur University and Vice Principal of this institution, Dr. Ravi Shirsagar, Executive Director of LTJSS, Dr. O.S. Bihade, our own beloved Principal of this Priyadharshini College of Engineering, Dr. M.P. Singh, the galaxy of senior academicians, administrators, researchers of the dais, principals of various institutions, faculty members, non-teaching staff members, and my dear student friends. It's indeed a pleasure and proud privilege for me to welcome you all for this very unique and a wonderful event this evening in this beautiful campus of Priyadharshini College of Engineering. We are extremely overwhelmed and obliged with the esteemed presence of His Excellency Dr. Qureshi and Dr. Sabkal for placing us on this occasion. Lokmanya Tilak Janakalyan Shikshan Sanstha was established in 1983 to accomplish the vision of the great social reformer and educationist Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. His vision of educating through social reform was a vision for us. Started with one engineering institution, Priyadharshini College of Engineering in 1990. Today, with the ultimate visionary approach of our management, Sanstha has established 28 institutions and all are running successfully. Over 1,000 expert and senior teaching faculty members are imparting high quality education to more than 22,000 students every year in Nagpur and in Mumbai. With 6 engineering colleges, 2 architecture colleges, 2 pharmacy colleges, polytechnics, B.Ed, D.Ed, ITI, physical education, every important sector of education. The very unique engineering disciplines like aeronautical engineering, biotechnology, chemical engineering, it has made our LTJSS a special attraction for budding technos across India. Our exclusive doctoral programs in almost all the streams of engineering and sciences have attracted a lot of researchers across the globe and faculty members from various institutions. Sanstha has created a very imposing, beautiful and mammoth infrastructure measuring around 45 lakh square feet in Nagpur and Mumbai and sprawling on 95 acres of the land. Very rich laboratories, modern and higher-end libraries and laboratories, seminar halls, workshops, auditorium, state-of-art gymnasium, indoor stadium, outdoor stadium, swimming pool, temples and many more to keep our students absolutely motivated, completely in a learning mode. And yes, there are well-furnished many boys and girls hostel as well. The continuous source of inspiration for our management is the late First Lady Prime Minister of India, Priyadharshini Srimati Indira Gandhi. And to acknowledge her broad vision and to mark her contribution in the education, our Honorable Chairman Sir took pride to name our first and most prestigious and premier institution, Priyadharshini College of Engineering, on her name. Later on, there are many institutions with the name Priyadharshini. All are running very successfully, and hence these days LTJSS is popularly known as Priyadharshini Group of Institutions across India. A profound leader and visionary for next generation, who promoted globalization and whose tenure is marked for era of information technology, late Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi provided a visionary model leadership to India, we all know, and to mark and acknowledge his vision of IT. This new building, which is inaugurated today, proudly named is Rajiv Gandhi IT Complex. Today, this evening, it's a beautiful dimensions the event has got. Inauguration of Rajiv Gandhi IT Complex, felicitation of our great visionary Honorable Chairman Sir, presence of Honorable His Excellency Governor and Dr. Vilas Sabka, that itself is an event. And of course, we are taking this opportunity to felicitate few of the outstanding faculty and student achievers in academics. With countless innovative practices, very senior and expert faculties, latest lab facilities, tie-up with industries and academia like IITs, soft skill trainings, teaching art of living to the students to make them an absolutely well-groomed personalities and good human beings also. We are sure LTJSS institutions are going to be very important, globally recognized institutions, meeting all the international standards very soon. With these words, I once again welcome you all for this wonderful program and thank you so much.